So when we started our project, I had a rough idea about a course and some game ideas, some game scenarios, but we developed much more of that. And now we have all these things in our platform, which is visible, which is usable by other teachers, trainers, researchers. And this is a lot, and this is more than I have expected.
That you can really create these learning environments where we can provide students with meaningful experiences and trigger memories and create events for them that will really help them change their behavior. And in the end, that's what learning is. A change in behavior or in capacity and capability, and they move forward with that change. And I think gamification and using playful elements in learning can really help to achieve that.
It's great. I think we've delivered a really nice conference, and I'm happy that it all worked out, even with some last-minute changes. But yeah, I hope everyone had a great day here and took some new knowledge with them, or even maybe some new cooperations.
Very excited to see so many international colleagues from different universities. I really like working with.
I think gamification will really benefit anything that focuses on leadership skills, which, let's be honest, is basically everything. Gamification and insights that the talks that I had on this conference will only strengthen my resolve to keep engaging in the conflict.
What I've learned in the last year, this is really a game changer.
The conference was really good inspiration. So, and I thought all these people here sharing their ideas, discussing new projects and the keynotes and the workshops, and all the people who work together. I think this was really, it was amazing. Really a good finish or a good final conference for that project.